Time keeps turning like a wheel, and the face of our world is changing forever. We'll accept the challenge, that's for real, with responsibility, and we'll make it together. The power from deep inside, the energy to do it right, is the axle making the wheel go round. In our wheel, it's hope that we are giving. In our wheel, it's charity we are living. In our wheel, we can help, we can heal, standing together in our wheel. It's a bond that lets us be one, the strength to make us grow and have trust in each other. We're strong women with heart and soul. All around the world, we're having faith in one another. The joy of mutuality makes us a strong community. We're the axle making the wheel go round. In our wheel means joining together. In our wheel means friendship forever. In our wheel it's harmony we feel, standing together in our wheel. In our wheel means joining together. In our wheel.
Good evening and Andarki Namaskaram and Swagat, meaning welcome. Welcome to all the participants on behalf of District Chairman Dr. P. Subbalakshmi Garu, members of the District Executive of District 302. I welcome you all to reveal the Hope Awards, and I'm the International Inner Wheel Treasurer, Sarita Lunani, and I'm your moderator today. I thank our District Chairman Subbalakshmi Garu for giving me this opportunity. And I now dedicate the song for all the COVID warriors. They are not the COVID warriors of India. They are the COVID warriors of District 302. That is all the presidents, secretaries, and all office bearers who kept the inner wheel flag flying high despite the pandemic. So here's a song for you, and please enjoy.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ा है। लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, लाएगी रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरुवर ये बीज जो पड़ा है। वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे, हर काम उसके रहते आसानियों से हुआ है। कभी हार ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हार ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
कभी हार न मानो दोस्तों, हिम्मत से काम लेना. This is what the song is all about. And yes, I salute you, all the warriors of District 302. Now it's time to enjoy your hard work. You have worked really hard for 365 days. And now let's have some fun. So let us enjoy a very unique dance.
Hey yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Okay, your mama ngwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, beat rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama.
So you all enjoyed the dance? Raise your thumb if you enjoyed the dance. Yes? Thank you so much. And now I request our Madam District Chairman, Dr. Subbalakshmi, to call the meeting to order.
We will Hope Awards meeting call to order.
I now request our District Secretary, G. Sridevi, to render the inner wheel prayer. And ladies, please sit in your chairs while the inner wheel prayer is being rendered and raise your right hand. Over to Sridevi.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds, endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Sridevi. And now, any auspicious occasion begins with the lighting of lamp to seek the blessings of Almighty.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला, या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता, या शङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Friends, the glowing lamps will empower us with a bright and happy future, and we just pray to God that please drive the pandemic away. Now I invite our scholarly district chairman, Dr. Subbalakshmi Garu, to give her opening remarks.
Respected IAW Treasurer, my good friend, philosopher and guide, Sarital Naniji, strong pillars of support, past district chairman, my backbone, district executive committee members who are always highly cooperative, my dearest presidents, Angels of Hope, club officers, and ever cooperative members of our district. Warm inner-wheel greetings and good evening. Today, we have gathered here to share our joy and success of our inner-wheel year 2021. Yes, it is totally a different year with all challenges and hurdles. But the strong willpower of our beloved club leaders converted the challenges into opportunities and rendered excellent service to the community, besides providing permanent projects which will always remain in the people's heart forever. The title of this award evening is chosen as Revel Hope Awards Evening. Mainly, the appreciation, the title for this award evening is chosen as Revel Hope Awards because mainly the appreciation awards are given on the basis of performance of our association goals Hope. Well, Revel means ఆనందంతో పరవళ్ళు తొక్కడం, కేరింతలుతో గంతులు వేయడం అని అర్థం. So, yes, this is the happiest moments to celebrate and receive the appreciation for the hard work you have put in the whole year. Happy to share that all club presidents are recognized now this evening. Regarding the awards, we have categorized them into 3 levels with the criteria basing on the service extended and fund spent on respective projects. I thank our evaluation and appreciation committee chairman, PDCs P.S. Lakshmi and G. Achyuta for their involvement and cooperation. I also thank our district EC members for their support and suggestions in recognizing club officers who gave their best. Now it is the time to enjoy, celebrate and proceed. Let us proceed further as per the agenda. Thank you all.
Thank you, District Chairman, for your opening remarks. And now we wait for the dhamaka to happen. Come on, open the screen. Let's start. awards evening. Even when the pandemic closed all your doors, you still managed to open some doors. The rush of adrenaline was the same. Positive attitude spread over you. The district EC members and you are the brave warriors, and you will be remembered for your courage. The year 2020-21 will be etched in our life always. During the year 2021, you were being closely watched. You were being closely watched with binoculars and magnifying glass by District Chairman Subbalakshmi Garu and Evaluation Committee Chairman PDC PS Lakshmi and Achyuta. వాళ్ళు ఫుల్ టైం చూస్తున్నారు, మీరు ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, పడుకున్నారు, లేచేనే ఉన్నారు. So they were watching you continuously all the time for 365 days. And they have judged you according to the reports you have sent them. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Girls, you have tried your best even during the pandemic. And Alexander Graham Bell, and phone invent chesaru, telephone. He failed many times in his attempt, but he remained cheerful and he said, I now know what not to do to succeed. So you have put up a very brave front. Thank you so much. Dear angels of hope, it was during your darkest moments you have focused to see the light of hope. Indeed, it was a time of great stress and uncertainty. Beginning lo chala bayamga undi, em jaragutundi, idi elaga avutundi, 0 year avutunda, man bayitiki veldama, man project cheyagalama. But the world showed us how to lead the change, and it happened so quickly that we could not even imagine. We were forced to give up so much, not just simple handshakes, but our entire life changed. Being optimistic, I will say, this has not been a year of loss, but a year of new opportunities. We are now used to meeting virtually. The COVID pandemic, the 19 pandemic has made us aware how to serve society along with the importance of undertaking health projects even while staying at home. Congratulations and bravo to all the club presidents, secretaries, treasurers, ISOs, editors, and all office bearers, district and club. Friends, today we have categorized you into 3 categories: the emerald, the ruby, and the sapphire. Today, emerald together with ruby and sapphire, they form the big 3 of colored stones. Gems are very precious and priceless, and we all love to possess them, don't we? Manandarki chala ishtam. Rubies, haram, emerald haram, sapphire haram. We all love it, right? So now we will start the awards. The first category of Rivel Hope Awards is the Emerald category. Emerald is defined by its color. Emerald is always green in color. It has been a symbol of protection, love, and wisdom. Ancient Romans and Greeks believed it to be the representative of the goddess Venus. And so, they gifted this gemstone to the loved ones. So if your husband has gifted you an emerald, you can know that he has loved you a lot. Hold your breath and watch who will wear this beautiful crown studded with emeralds. Let us wait and watch who are the lucky emerald studded presidents.
Friends, I deem it my proud privilege to announce the Emerald Best Outstanding President. She is none other than D. Geeta Kumari of Innerwheel Club of Voltaire. Her achievements: distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, initiated Innerwheel Forest, contributed for arranging solar power to old age home, organized e-waste and plastic waste materials, branding, distributed cloth bags with Innerwheel logo, and inducted 7 new members. Her special achievements are: hosted district rally and ISO meet Rejoice, donated rupees 25 lakhs for constructing hospital ward for palliative care patients in Age Care Foundation. Continuous project salary to a nurse working in Age Care Foundation. Supported cancer screening and treatment for women. Donated computer to a cancer hospital. Supported girl child education worth rupees 4.1 lakhs. Contributed for COVID patients medical kits. Hearty congratulations and well done, Geeta. We are so proud of you. The second awardee for Emerald Best Outstanding President is B. Vishali from Innerwheel Club of Vijayanagaram. Vishali's achievements are: she distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, initiated Innerwheel Forest, installed solar street light, renovated water body, one big lake, organized e-waste and plastic waste materials, branding, distributed 20 vendors' umbrellas and 1,000 jute bags with Innerwheel logo, inducted 3 new members. Vishali's special recognitions are: sponsored Innerwheel Club Vijayanagaram Ruby New Gen, hosted multi-zonal meet Reflections, donated van to Sabala Group of Women for tribal women empowerment, contributed for Rotary Kailash Bhumi rupees 1 lakh, contributed for Rotary Blood Bank rupees 1 lakh, conducted online competitions for 350 children, supported for arranging artificial limbs for both the legs, contributed for COVID patients medical kits, and attended 18th International Innerwheel Virtual Convention. Hearty congratulations to you, Vishali, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. You have made us proud.
Put your hands together for Geeta and Vishali. This success was very well deserved. You have worked very, very hard to reach this. And as I told you, Subbalakshmi Garu, P.S. Lakshmi and Achuta were watching you through their binoculars all through the year, and they have decided that you are the winners of the Emerald Award category. Well done, my girls. Well done. Now we will have a success video just to show what leadership is all about. This is how a good leader acts. Teamwork is the key to success, and that's the quality of a leader. The flag off for the next two categories, Ruby and Sapphire, will be done by Chairman Subbalakshmi and PDCs PS Lakshmi and G. Achyuta. Now we move on to the Ruby Award categories. And let us see who will be the winners. It's a surprise. Let's wait and watch who are the lucky Ruby girls. So can we have the slides for the flagging off by PS Lakshmi and Subbalakshmi and Achyuta? Yes. Can you see them? Aren't they looking sexy? They're flagging off the Ruby and the Sapphire presidents. Yes, the super active PS Lakshmi, Achyuta and Dr. P. Subbalakshmi. Ruby is a stone of divinity, creativity. It boosts your energy levels and promotes high esteem, intuition, and spiritual wisdom. Ruby is a symbol of good fortune, pure love, and loyalty. It is one of the most powerful red stones. And I would like to say my warmest congratulations to the Ruby awardees on your achievement. And friends, in each category, when we announce the awards, all the Ruby outstanding presidents are all equal. So it is just that randomly we are announcing the names. And now this crown has gone to all the presidents, the Ruby Revel presidents, whose name was announced by Dr. Subbalakshmi and PS Lakshmi. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. I am PDC PS Lakshmi, Evaluation and Appreciation Chairman for the year of 2020 and 2021. Many of the clubs performed extremely well and my hearty congratulations to you all. Now I am presenting the Ruby Outstanding President's citation. Innerville Club of Visakhapatnam, Certificate of Appreciation, Award to V. Susila Rao, Ruby Outstanding President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, donated oxygen concentrator to Sneha Sandhya Age Care Foundation, supported old people and orphans, honored ex-army servicemen in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, installed solar panel in an old age home and Gosala, contributed to empowerment of physically challenged women for making LED bulbs, branding, distributed cloth bags to Innerville with Innerville logo.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Visakhapatnam awarded to V. Susila Rao, Ruby President. Contributed for constructing a shed and raised platform to perform last rites in a village, Nerala Valasa, Rs 1.2 lakhs. Donated mobiles and tablets to school-going children to attend online classes. Donated a projector to old age home for promoting mental health. Contributed for teachers' salaries to promote rural children education. Supported girl child education worth Rs 53,000. Contributed for COVID patients' medical kits.
Innerville Club of Eluru, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to B. Madhurima, Ruby Outstanding President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, initiated Innerville Forest, installed solar street lights, renovated water body, one well, organized e-waste and plastic waste materials, branding, distributed masks, 150 jute bags with Innerville logo, new members inducted 4.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Eluru awarded to B. Madhurima, Ruby President. Sponsored Innerville Club Theresian New Gen Eluru. Hosted District Conference Rejuvenate. Holding online classes for orphan children for skill development. Continuous project holding tailoring classes for women for skill development. Continuous project Salaries paid to 2 tribal school teachers, rupees 1.9 lakhs worth. Contributed for district project 5,000. Contributed for COVID patients medical kits rupees 12,000.
Innerville Club of Kakinada, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to D. Lakshmi, Ruby Outstanding President, distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, installed 2 solar streetlights, renovated water body 1 well, organized e-waste and plastic waste materials, branding, distributed masks, cloth bags and stickers with Innerville logo. New members inducted 74.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Kakinada, awarded to D. Lakshmi, Ruby President. Holding tailoring classes for women for skill development, conducting computer classes for school and college girls to impart skills, donated huge size washer dryer to blind children worth rupees 2 lakhs, contributed for district project 10,000, contributed for COVID patients medical kits, body wrapping covers and food to home isolation COVID patients 86,000, attended 18th IAW convention.
Innerville Club of Vijayawada, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to M. Lakshmi Das, Ruby Outstanding President, distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, installed solar streetlight, branding, distributed cloth bags with Innerville logo. New members inducted 5.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Vijayawada, awarded to M. Lakshmi Das, Ruby President. Hosted District Assembly Radiant, launched Grow Green project and hosted district meet, presented plants to all participants to encourage urban planting and roof gardening, greeted 500 doctors on 1st July 2020 by sending Innerville wishes, felicitated 150 nurses on Innerville Day 10th January 21, conducted district seminar on patriotism and sent recognition certificates, donated 2 TV sets and an inverter to orphan girls home worth rupees 75,000, contributed for COVID patients medical kits rupees 50,000, attended 18th IAW convention.
Innerville Club of Vijayawada East, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to S. Usharani, Ruby Outstanding President, distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, distributed mud Ganesh Pratima to protect environment, installed solar streetlights, branding, donated big size vendors umbrellas with Innerville logo. New members inducted 12.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Vijayawada East, awarded to S. Usharani, Ruby President. Hosted district seminar on membership growth and branding in Innerville and inauguration of district official website. Celebrated Choral Jubilee and released club history book. Honored 75 nurses on Innerville Day. Contributed for the arrangement of artificial legs for 2 persons worth rupees 1.3 lakhs. Contributed for district project 3,000. Contributed for COVID patients medical kits and for treatment 1.5 lakhs.
Innerville Club of Vijayawada Midtown, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to R. Nalini, Ruby Outstanding President, distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, organized e-waste and plastic waste materials, initiated Innerville Forest, installed solar streetlight, branding, posters with Innerville logos were pasted on autos.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Vijayawada Midtown, awarded to R. Nalini, Ruby President. Hosted first ever global seminar, 117 overseas delegates participated from 28 countries, collaborated with US Social Service Group and adopted Project Red for teenage girls in Care and Share Foundation worth rupees 1.6 lakhs, organized online competitions for 250 children of Care and Share Foundation in coordination with US Social Service Group, supported girl child education 55,000, demonstrated vermicompost preparation to Innerville members of the district, contributed for COVID patients medical kit rupees 32,000, attended 18th IAW virtual convention.
Innerville Club of Bhimavaram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Jayasree, Ruby Superactive President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, branding, distributed long notebooks to students with Innerville logo. New members inducted 7.
Special recognition. Innerville Club of Bhimavaram awarded to S. Jayasree, Ruby President. Sponsored Innerville Club of Bhimavaram Newgen Club, contributed for district project 5,000, contributed for COVID patients medical kits 56,000.
Friends, it doesn't matter how many resources you have, but if you don't know how to use them, they will never be enough. Chodandi, in photo lo, how much he has not used the resources. He had so many resources and so many nichena undi. He didn't know that he could use one nichena and climb the wall. Hundreds of nichena, but all the steps were just wasted. So please use and use your resources. And now we begin our third category, that is the Sapphires. Rivel Hope Awards. Can we have the slides for the Sapphire, please? The slides, please. Yes. Blue Sapphires, they have the properties of protection, bringing spiritual insight and a good fortune. So all those who win today will be very fortunate. These precious stones remain a strong symbol of strength, power, kindness, and good judgment. Now, we will wait and watch who will wear this sapphire crown, who will be the crowning glory. And now Achyuta, PDC Achyuta and Dr. Subbalakshmi will do the honors for the Sapphire Rivel Awards.
Hello friends, good evening. I am PDC J. Achyuta, Evaluation and Appreciation Chair for the year 2020 and 21. Congratulations to you all for your wonderful service in spite of pandemic times. Now I am presenting the Sapphire Active President citations. Innerville Club of Peddapuram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Usharani, Sapphire Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old age people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebrations, initiated Innerville Forest, installed solar street light, renovated water body, one well, branding, distributed masks with the Innerville logo, new members inducted 10.
Special recognition to Innerville Club of Peddapuram awarded to S. Usharani, Sapphire President. Sponsored Innerville Club of Peddapuram Newgen Queens. Braille machine was donated to physically impaired children. Speech therapy machine was given to differently abled children.
Innerville Club of Ankapalli awarded to P.V. Kameswari, Sapphire Active President. Certificate of Appreciation. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old age home and orphans, donated a laptop to BTech student, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in urban gardening, installed solar light, branding, donated bookshelf to government school with the Innerville logo, new members inducted 3.
Innerville Club of Penugonda, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to K. Gauri Subhashini, Sapphire Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, conducted dental checkup camps in schools and paste brushes were given, participated in patriotic celebrations, participated in tree plantation, honored 50 women leaders on Women's Day celebrations, conducted competitions for women and children to promote skills.
Innerville Club of Rajahmundry, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to M. Sumana Srikant, Safari Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, participated in patriotic celebration, participated in urban gardening, cancer awareness program by an oncologist was organized, contributed to COVID patients food supply of rupees 14,000. Diaries and masks with the Innerville logo were presented for branding. Attended 18th International Innerville Virtual Convention. Innerville Club of Rajahmundry Golden Jubilee, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to P. Sunanda, Safari Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, donated a RO water purifier to school children, donated sanitary napkin vending machine to college hostel, participated in patriotic celebrations, tree plantation was done in a temple complex, installed solar street light in Kailasha Bhumi. Innerville Club of Rajahmundry River City, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to C.H. Sarada, Safari Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, donated a cooler to old age home, contributed for medical treatment to a dance teacher, participated in patriotic celebrations, planted trees in different areas, donated 4 solar lamps to old age home. Innerville Club of Gudivada, Certificate of Appreciation, awarded to G. Radha, Safari Active President. Distributed items related to health and hygiene, supported old people and orphans, medical help and educational support is given to poor people, participated in patriotic celebrations, planted medicinal plants, and posters were pasted explaining their importance, encouraged women empowerment.
Hearty congratulations to all the Sapphire awardees. Put your hands together for all the Sapphire awardees. So pleased to see you accomplishing great things. Now, we will show you a slide of success, how to succeed. Success is measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome while trying to succeed. And yes, my dear presidents, secretaries, treasurers, ISOs, and editors, yes, you have overcome all the obstacles during this year and you have succeeded. Hearty congratulations to each one of you. Secretary is the lifeline of any club. The president is the husband and the secretary is the wife. They both, it is like a jodi, together they work throughout the year. Yes. So the husband cannot do without the wife and the wife cannot do without the husband. So secretaries play a very, very important role in any club. I now request our district chairman, Subbalakshmi Garu, to do the honors for the best secretaries of District 302.
Emerald Best Outstanding Secretary. These secretaries have fulfilled the following duties: attended all district meets including Koti, sent all club reports and consolidated report, maintained club meeting minutes book, maintained all files, supported club president in all activities and projects. Certificate of Appreciation, Innerville Club of Voltaire, awarded to Y. Rama Sailaja, Emerald Best Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram,
Certificate of Appreciation awarded to B. Srilata, Emerald Best Outstanding Secretary. Congratulations to both of you. Srilata, you have attended 18th IAW Virtual Convention also. Congratulations once again.
And now we have the honors for the Sapphire Presidents. This will be done by our district chairman. I request you, ma'am, to do the honors for the Sapphire Best Presidents.
Sapphire President. All these presidents have performed the following duties: paid district dues in time, exercised e-balloting and contributed for 100% balloting, attended at all district events including Koti, maintained cordial relations with district executive committee members and district chairman. Congratulations to all of you. Innerville Club of Newsweed, Mango Town. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to R. Malati, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Parvatipuram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to P. Jyotilakshmi, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Rajanagaram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to G. Lakshmi Mutyam, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Saluru Queens. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to A. Venkatamadhavi, Sapphire President. Certificate of Appreciation Innerville Club of Sun City Srikakulam awarded to P. Madhavi, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Tuni. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to D. Kavita, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Vizag Smart City. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to V. Lalita, Sapphire President. Innerville Club of Uyuru. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to B. Venkata Mahalakshmi, Sapphire President.
Congratulations to all the Sapphire Best Presidents. And now it is time to move on to the Ruby Secretaries. Ruby Revel Secretaries of District 302 during the year 2021. Best of luck.
Ruby Superactive Secretary. All these secretaries fulfilled their following duties: attended all district meets including Koti, sent all club reports and consolidated report, maintained club meeting minutes book, maintained all files, supported club presidents in all activities and projects. Innerville Club of Eluru. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to N.V. Ganga Bhavani, Ruby Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Kakinada. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to N. Venkata Madhavi, Ruby Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Vijayawada. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to V. Saroja, Ruby Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Vijayawada East. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to A. Pratima, Ruby Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Vijayawada Midtown. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Karambir Kaur, Ruby Outstanding Secretary. Innerville Club of Bhimavaram, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to C.H. Ammaji, Ruby, Superactive Secretary. I congratulate all of you for an excellent job in your tenure. Thank you.
Hearty congratulations to all the Ruby outstanding secretaries. Bravo, you have done a mind-blowing job. And now it is time to honor the Sapphire secretaries by PDC Achyuta and Subbalakshmi Garu. Let's cheer them.
Sapphire Active Secretary. All these secretaries fulfilled the following duties: attended all district meets including Koti, sent all club reports and consolidated report, maintained club meeting minutes book, maintained all files, supported club presidents in all activities and projects. Innerville Club of Anakapalli, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to T. Prashanthi, Sapphire Active Secretary. Innerville Club of Peddapuram, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to V. Arunakumari, Sapphire Active Secretary. Innerville Club of Penugonda, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to D. Padmavati, Sapphire Active Secretary. Innerville Club of Rajahmundry Golden Jubilee, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Kamala Nehru, Sapphire Active Secretary. Innerville Club of Rajahmundry River City, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to P.V. Ellen Deepas. Congratulations to you all.
Hearty congratulations to all the Sapphire secretaries. You have done a fantastic job this year. And now, friends, fasten your seat belts. We have to move on to the next category of awards. Yes, we still have the awards for the best treasurer, best editor, best ISO, and for highest membership growth of the club. So fasten your seatbelts tight and wait for this moment. The Dhan Lakshmi plays a very important role in any club. Without her, the club treasury can either fill up or it can go to the zero level. We have so many Lakshmis in our clubs. We have Bhagya Lakshmi, we have Subha Lakshmi, we have Muthu Lakshmi, and so many. And also we have Lakshmi Srinivas, the district treasurer, who has sponsored the awards for all the club treasurers who have done a fabulous job. Over to Lakshmi Srinivas.
Respected District Chairman Dr. Subbalakshmi Garu, International Innerville Treasurer Sarita Lunani Garu, District Executive Committee, PDCs, club leaders and members, a very good evening to you all. I am A. Lakshmi Srinivas, District Treasurer 2021. Let me convey my thanks to our very efficient District Chairman Subbalakshmi Garu for guiding me time to time in fulfilling my duties perfectly. Thank you so much, ma'am. Many thanks to all the club treasurers who performed their duties very well. I am here to announce the 2nd to 6th club treasurers in order of the remittance of district dues along with the details of membership in the prescribed format and other criteria. All these treasurers fulfilled their following duties along with timely district due remittance, collected club dues from the members with the cooperation of the President, coordinated with the club President in preparing the budget for the Innerville year, presented account of the club at the annual general body meeting. 2nd place, Innerville Club of Kakinada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Srimati K. Prasanna Lakshmi, Sapphire Active Treasurer. Third place, Innerville Club of Vijayawada East, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Srimati K. Usha, Sapphire Active Treasurer. Fourth place, Innerville Club of Rajamundry Golden Jubilee, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Srimati V. Usha Rani, Sapphire Active Treasurer. Fifth place, Innerville Club of Voltaire, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Dr. Hemalata Rao, Sapphire Active Treasurer. Sixth place, Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Madhu Daga, Sapphire Active Treasurer. Hearty congratulations to all of you for your excellent job. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the Sapphire treasurers. And now we look forward to the awards for the club ISOs, Ambassadors of Friendship. And this recognition will be done none other by our district ISO, A. Rani, who has sponsored these awards. Over to Rani.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Rani, District ISO. Our District Chairman Dr. P. Subbulakshmi Garu, our District Pride IAW Treasurer-elect Sarita Lunani Garu, and my dear EC friends and all club officers of District 302, Innerville greetings to you all. As a District ISO, it is my immense pleasure to announce Sapphire Active ISOs who are showing best performance during their tenure, and also they have sent their reports within the time. All these ISOs fulfilled their following duties: participated in the district ISO meet, maintained link activities with the ISOs of the other clubs in the district and also with ISOs of other districts, sent reports to district ISO and district chairman, exchanged club flags with other ISOs, greeted the club members on birthdays and festive days. They are Innerville Club of Vijayawada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to V. Udayarka, Sapphire Active ISO. Innerville Club of Eluru, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to SVN Malaya Devi, Sapphire Active ISO. Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to A. Devi, Sapphire Active ISO. Innerville Club of Kakinada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to R. Sulabha, Sapphire Active ISO. Innerville Club of Anakapalli, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to D. Sridevi, Sapphire Active ISO. I congratulate all of you for excellent job in your tenure. Thank you very much.
Let's put a hand together for all the Sapphire ISOs for bonding friendship, because Innerville's motto is friendship and service. We now move on to the next category of awards for the editor. The pen is mightier than the sword. And here you will find that D. Savitri, our district ISO, will recognize the best editors of our district. And she has sponsored not only these awards, Sapphire Awards, but also donated 50,000 rupees to the Corpus Fund of District 302. So congratulations, Savitri, for the brilliant Tambola and game show. And now, Savitri, it's your time to recognize the Sapphire editors of District 302.
Good evening, friends. I am D. Savitri, District Editor 2021, and reading the citations of club editors who published 3 bulletins. Published 3 bulletins with the activities and projects of the club, sent important events and project to district editor and district chairman for uploading to district and association websites, promoted club projects on Facebook and in newspapers, maintained records of the club's activities for making the club history book, worked in coordination with the president. Innerville Club of Vijayawada is Certificate of Appreciation awarded to P. Divyavani, Sapphire Active Editor. Innerville Club of Valteru, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Parvati, Sapphire Active Editor. Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram, Certificate of Appreciation award to V. Madhavi, Sapphire Active Editor. Innerville Club of Eluru, Certificate of Appreciation award to E. N. Sarada, Sapphire Active Editor. Innerville Club of Kakinada, Certificate of Appreciation award to N. Anita, Sapphire Active Editor. Congratulations to all of you. My sincere thanks to Dr. Subbulakshmi Garu for the constant support. Thank you all.
Good job done by all the Sapphire editors of District 302. And now it has time to recognize the clubs who have increased the membership. A very, very tough job. And District ESO, Sita Pachalla, would like to recognize the clubs who have increased net membership development. It is a very difficult task, and Sita would like to do the honors. The floor is all yours now, Sita.
Good evening to one and all. I am Sita Devi, District ESO for the year 2020-21. As I mentioned in my Communic Samadha, I am recognizing the presidents who have increased their club membership by 20% and above by presenting a certificate of appreciation. I sincerely appreciate their efforts for their contribution of the internal extension of their clubs. Innerville Club of Peddapuram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Usharani, Sapphire Active President. Congratulations Usharani for increasing the club membership by 50% in the Innerville year 2020. Innerville Club of Vijayawada East. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Usharani Surapaneni, Sapphire Active President. Congratulations Usharani Surapaneni for increasing the club's membership by 39% in the Innerville year 2021. Innerville Club of Anakapalli. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to P.V. Kameshwari, Sapphire Active President. Congratulations P.V. Kameshwari for increasing the club's membership by 25% in the Innerville year 2021. Innerville Club of Bhimavaram. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to S. Jayashree, Sapphire Active President. Congratulations S. Jayashree for increasing club's membership by 20% in the Innerville year 2021. Innerville Club of Penugonda. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to K. Gauri Subhashini, Sapphire Active President. Congratulations K. Gauri Subhashini for increasing the membership by 20% in the Innerville year 2021. Thank you.
Congratulations, presidents, for increasing membership, especially President of Innerville Club of Kakinada. We are very, very proud of you. And now, ladies, hold your breath. We have a surprise. The district chairman would like to recognize and give the chairman citation for the best performers. Subbulakshmi Garu, you may do the honors. The floor is all yours, and all the best to all the participants.
Innerville Club of Voltaire, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to M. Swati, Emerald Outstanding ISO. Participated in the district ISO meet and bagged runner-up prize. Maintained link activities with the ISOs of the other clubs in the district and also with ISOs of other districts. Sent report to district ISO and district chairman. Held competitions for the club members and kept the club alive and vibrant. Exchanged club flags with other ISOs. Greeted the club members on birthdays and festive days. Attended 18th IAW virtual convention. Congratulations Swati. Innerville Club of Vijayawada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to G. Kiranmayi, Emerald Outstanding Treasurer. First place to remit district dues of the club along with the details of the membership in the prescribed format. Collected club dues from the members with the cooperation of the president. Coordinated with the club president in preparing the budget for the Innerville year. Presented accounts of the club at the annual general body meeting. Attended 18th IAW virtual convention. Congratulations Kiranmayi. Innerville Club of Vijayawada Midtown, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to M. Tejavati, Emerald Outstanding Editor. Published 10 e-bulletins with activities and projects of the club. Sent important events and projects to district editor and district chairman for uploading to district and association websites. Promoted club's projects on Facebook and in newspapers. Maintained records of the club's activities for compiling the club history book. Worked in coordination with the president. Congratulations Tejavati. Innerville Club of Kakinada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to D. Lakshmi, Emerald Outstanding President for extraordinary membership growth. Congratulations Bangaramma for increasing the club's membership by 316% in the Innerville year 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic year. Appreciate your efforts for the contribution of the internal extension of your club. Congratulations once again for your wonderful membership drive. Innerville Club of Vijayawada, Certificate of Appreciation awarded to P. Vani Mohan, Ruby Outstanding Editor. Published 3 e-bulletins with activities and projects of the club. Sent important events and projects to district editor and district chairman for uploading to the district and association websites. Promoted club's projects on Facebook and in newspapers. Maintained records of the club's activities for compiling the club history book. Worked in coordination with the president. Congratulations Vani Mohan Garu.
Hearty congratulations to all the Emerald and Ruby special performers, and really you have worked very, very hard. Bravo to you. And now our district chairman would like to recognize somebody special. Yes, recognitions to the 4 baby new gen clubs who were born in 2021 by Dr. Subbalakshmi. They are Subbalakshmi Garu's babies, and she has to look after them for the next 5 years. Yes, over to district chairman.
Innerville Club of Theresian Newgen Eluru, Charter number 6876. Memento presented to President K. Silomadiri, Secretary Henna Matthew. Congratulations to President, Secretary and members of Theresian Newgen Eluru. Welcome to International Innerville Organization. Innerville Club of Bhimvaram Newgen, Charter number 6878. Memento presented to President K. Tejaswini, Secretary K. Manisha. Congratulations to President, Secretary and members of Bhimvaram Newgen. Welcome to International Innerville Organization. Innerville Club of Pedapuram Newgen Queens, Charter number 7014. Memento presented to President D. Anuradha, Secretary S. Jayasri Apurva. Congratulations to President, Secretary and members of Pedapuram Newgen Queens. Welcome to International Innerville Organization. Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram Ruby Newgen, Charter number 7015. Memento presented to President B. Geeta Lakshmi, Secretary M. Rajalakshmi. Congratulations to President, Secretary and members of Vijayanagaram Ruby Newgen. Welcome to International Innerville Organization.
So congratulations to the 4 baby clubs. You were born this year. You will start crawling next year, and then you will start walking, and in the 5th year you will start running. So Meeku Anna Mudda Subbalakshmi Garu Pettaru for the next 5 years. It is her responsibility, and of course we will all help her. It is not she alone, but it is the duty of even the host clubs who have started the new clubs to look after the babies very well. And now our Dr. Subbalakshmi would like to honor the Jodi number 1 of District 302. A surprise. Who is the Jodi number 1 of District 302? Let's see the honors.
Innerville Club of Vijayanagaram. Special recognition awarded to Neeta Vidwani, Sapphire Active Zonal Representative Zone 1 for services throughout the year 2021 and also conducting multi-zonal meet successfully. Congratulations, Neeta Vidwani. Innerville Club of Vijayawada East. Special recognition awarded to A. Ratnalakshmi, Sapphire Active Zonal Representative Zone 2 for services throughout the year 2021 and also conducting multi-zonal meet successfully. Thank you, Ratnalakshmi. Innerville Club of Saluru Queens. Special recognition awarded to Sayyida Tasneem Begum, Sapphire Editor. Donated masks and sanitizers to a private hospital, supported for the education of an orphan boy, adopted an old woman, provided food and essential items, continuously providing food to street dogs, took a lead in the demonstration of gas leakage issues, sponsored medical kit to COVID patients worth rupees 5,000. Congratulations, Tasneem.
Congratulations and celebrations for all the winners, for all the awardees. And now it is time to congratulate some more people. May we see who those people are? This is congratulations to the members of the District Executive Committee 2021. Friends, without you, the district could not have moved forward. You were like the backbone and spine for our district chairman, Subbalakshmi Garu. So thank you, Yashoda, Sita, Sridevi, A. Lakshmi, Rani, and AC member Kuchi Lakshmi and Savitri for the fabulous, fantastic, mind-blowing and awesome work that you have showed during the year 2021. And like Fevicol, you were stuck with our district chairman and helped her in every odd and every moment whenever she needed you. Thank you so much and congratulations. The next congratulations goes to all the presidents, secretaries, treasurers, ISOs and editors of 2021. Yes, girls, you rocked and you made us rock and you made us jump and we all hopping, skipping and jumping with joy today. And friends, now it is time to say Alvida, meaning goodbye. All good things must come to an end. But me being optimistic, let me say temporarily. The wheel goes on and on. If 2021 has come to an end, we will now look forward to 21-22. We look forward to Yashoda leading as a leader of District 302. The wheel moves on. And friends, I stand before you today in all humility as I thank District 302 and Dr. Subbalakshmi for giving me the opportunity to prepare the PowerPoint and also to be the moderator of this fantastic last show of Dr. Subbalakshmi for this year 2021. And before I wind up, I would like to say a few words about our district chairman. Subbalakshmi, congratulations on completing a very, very successful tenure as district chairman. Your year is very memorable and it is etched in the minds and hearts of everyone for the years to come. Starting from your installation to your awards function, you have excelled. You have changed the 0 year to hero year. And this took a lot of dedication and effort from your part. You worked hard and you have proved to everyone that what you are capable of. It's been both exciting and inspirational to me to watch how steadily you have moved from club president to district chairman. And you have done all the posts with humility. And you have also proved that in Inner Wheel, age has no bar, caste has no bar, religion has no bar, but yes, Josh and enthusiasm is bar. Dr. Subbalakshmi, I congratulate you for having donated 50,000 rupees to the Corpus Fund of District 302. Yes, but Subbalakshmi Garu, we have one more expectation from you. The members of Inner Wheel Club of Eluru are hoping for a big donation and magnanimity from you as district chairman, which I am telling in public. Yes, I hope Inner Wheel Club members of Eluru, please put a thumbs up to say yes. Yes, we are expecting something big from our district chairman for all the success that she has achieved this year. May I request our district chairman to express her joy, her gratitude for during the year 2021, all her feelings and what she has felt as district chairman. Over to you, Dr. Subbalakshmi. I put you in a soup, I know that.
Thank you so much, Sarita. And the year has a very fruitful year just because of your guidance and support throughout the year. Yes, all good things will come to an end at some point of time. The day has come. This is the last celebration of enjoying together for the Inner Wheel year 2020-21. I acknowledge from the bottom of my heart for the excellent services rendered by all the club presidents and also for the tremendous work turned out throughout the year against odd situations. And the total turnover this year is 1.35 crores. Oh, kudos to you. My dearest district EC members, we work like a family. I will not forget your understanding, cooperation, and unity exhibited throughout the year. Thanks a lot to you. My dear respected past district chairman,
What a wonderful support and guidance you have extended throughout my tenure for smooth running of our district. Thank you very much. I convey my sincere thanks to our own PDCs, P.S. Lakshmi and G. Achyuta, for your untiring efforts in fulfilling the responsibilities as Evaluation and Appreciation Committee Chairman. Thank you. My dearest Sarita, I cannot really express in words for the timely advice and help whenever needed. I owe a lot as you stood by me like a rock in discharging my duties perfectly. My heart will be filled with joy whenever I think of our friendship, that you are there for me always. Thanks a lot for everything. And one more speciality is, I was installed by you as the president of the Inner Wheel Club of Eluru. I was installed by you as a district chairman of the District 302. And I was also installed as the AC member as in the capacity of IAW treasurer by you. So it is really worth mentioning, and it is in my memories forever. And thanks a lot. Thank you. Your hand is so nice that everything is going smoothly, and just because of your wishes and good support to me. Thanks a lot.
Lakshmi, don't worry. I will also install you as international president.
Boy, I would like to see you as the international president when I am in the active stage. We are all wishing you all the best. The whole District 302 is with you, Sarita, and we wish you all the best and would like to see you in the highest office of the Inner Wheel, International Inner Wheel. A big wow, a salute, and thanks to one and all, to everyone present here. The success is yours. The whole district stood by me. The whole district cooperated with me. That is the great thing, and really I'm blessed to have people like you, and I am very thankful. I cannot forget you all in my lifetime. I'm overwhelmed with joy. Thank you. And I wish the same cooperation should be given to the next in line, all the district chairmen. And my good friend Yasoda will rock this year. And we are all there with her. And I request you all to give the wholehearted support to Yasoda during her tenure as the district chairman. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Subhadeep, for the kind and benevolent words. Yes, it is very nice to see you installed as AC member. Yes, and now a very big round of applause for you. Yes, you have worked very hard, and not only worked hard, you have worked with dedication. You have followed all protocols. You have followed all the guidance, and with dignity and decorum. That is the beauty when you become a district chairman. And I have no words to say. Kudos to you. Wonderful.
Thank you.
And now our efficient district vice chairman Yashoda is waiting to propose the vote of thanks this evening. Over to Yashoda.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, all of you. I deemed it a privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of the Rebel Awards 2020-21. The crowning moment today for us is our own IIW treasurer, Mrs. Sarita Lunani, is the moderating for this spectacular event. Thank you, Sarita. It means a lot to us. I thank Evaluation Appreciation Committee, Chairman PDC Achyuta, PDC PS Lakshmi for their excellent work behind the screen. I wish to express my deep sense of gratitude to District EC, as District Chairman, all the club officers and members of District 302. Lastly, most importantly, I would like to thank Chairman Subbalakshmi Garu for giving me this opportunity, and also wish to congratulate Subbalakshmi Garu on her excellent performance during this pandemic and difficult times. Finally, I would like to thank Zoom Master Kiran Kumar Garu for technical support. As we are facing uncertain times which need to be attended with caution, we all must try to give our best in spite of all odds. Good luck, you all. And once again, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sarita Garu.
Thank you, Yashoda. May I now request our district chairman to adjourn the meeting?
Yeah. The Revel Hope Award meeting is adjourned now.
And now, friends, we have the national anthem. May we all pay respect to our national anthem, sitting in our chairs, but take your right hand and put it on your left shoulder while the national anthem is being played. A small request to Yashoda, our incoming chairman. Please take up more projects where cleanliness and hygiene can be taken up by clubs, because it is really very sad to see, you just saw the video of the national anthem. It makes my heart bleed to see, so many people, including the senior citizens and all the garbage that we throw and we do make dirty, they are cleaning it up for us. It's really, it brings tears to my eyes to see this. So Yashoda, please see that every club president keeps her surroundings clean. Thank you so much. And thank you once again for making me the moderator of this Revel Hope Awards. Thank you and salutations to one and all.
Thank you. Thank
Definitely,
you.
Sarita Garu. Definitely. I will.